In today's video, I'll show you how to stop Notion from opening up on startup. Now, if you're using Windows, you can just follow me. At first, what you have to do is just be on your desktop, then find your taskbar, go to your taskbar, point to it, and right-click on it. You'll get multiple options over here. Just go to Task Manager. And after that, your Task Manager will be opened. From here, click on the hamburger menu, and you'll get a bunch of options from here. From here, you need to go to Startup Apps. You can close down the menu now, and inside Startup Apps, you'll find all the apps that are being started on your startup. For example, Notion, Flow Launcher, and everything. Now, we want to turn off Notion. To turn off Notion on startup, what you have to do is just find Notion. As you can see, the status is currently enabled, which means Notion is starting up on startup. So to disable this, just right-click on it and click on Disable. And that's basically it. Notion has been disabled. And it will stop Notion from opening up on startup. Then you can just close this and restart your PC, and you'll find Notion is not starting up on startup. And basically that is how to stop Notion from opening up on startup. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.